Ayang Aya guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunch boxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So for this episode of our vlog, I'm gonna give you a tour of Camayan Beach Resort. So samahan nyo ko for today. So guys, here's the parking area of Camayan. Ayan, so we're gonna give you a tour. Ano kaya yung yacht na yan, no? So ayan, here kami nagpark. So walang masyadong tao.
Dito na kami matutulog guys.
There.
Ready na yung kumot ko.
Ayan. And then, tara! So if you're gonna stay for day tour, dito yung entrance niya. I mean, dito magpe-pay. So I'll show you the rates. Ayan, siguro dito nag-view, parang viewing deck or something. Ayan. So usually pag day tour, dito, ayan, meron parang viewing deck and then may yacht or yate. So ito yung beach entrance. Ayan. So here are the rates. Ayan. And then, ayan, so normally this is open. Meron kayong wristband if it's a day tour, and then dyan yung entrance. But if you're a hotel guest, there is a reception area. So we'll enter here. Dito kami pumasok kanina. But you can also enter here naman kung day tour. Lalo kung marami kayong gamit.
Mainit pa rin siya sa mainit. Yeah.
So here's the hotel entrance. Ayan. So if you need assistance, then si Kuya doon sa there's sa area na yan to help you with your things. Ayan.
Ganda na kalaw. Ganda na kalaw.
Ayan, so we'll enter there. So here, sa area na to, yan, where you can take pictures. And then there yung mga rooms. And then here sa right side, ito yung reception area or yung front desk or yung front office. Yan. Dito kayo mag-check-in. So, ayan. Once you enter, so pag enter nyo, here, towards your left side are rooms. So, ayan. So, these are the suites and the deluxe room. So, 3 floors yan. So later yung rates ilalagay ko sa description box. But you can check it out sa website nila. I'll also put it in the description box. And then in front of the suites and then the deluxe rooms is the pool area. Ayan. So let's check it out. So yung hotel guests, they're the only ones who can use the pool area. So kung day tour lang kayo, hindi kayo pwede mag-pool. Ayan. So, balik na tayo. And then, if you wanna see yung inside ng room na ito, nasa website nila yan. Yan. And then, moving on. So, near the pool area is their restaurant and bar. So, when you're checked in sa hotel, mayroong free breakfast. Ayan. So, this is the reef. It's called the Reef. And then so yung breakfast nila is buffet breakfast. And then just in front of the reef is the beach area. So before there's another restaurant there, Turtle's Nest, if you can see, pero closed yata siya. And then if you can see, may sandbags dito. Ayan, na-affect sila ng typhoon. I think yung a couple of weeks ago na typhoon, yung Paeng, ayan. Kaya nagre-recover pa lang sila. Ayan, so we'll go to the beach area. So ayan o guys, may sandbags. So hinarangan nila kasi nabaha daw yung restaurant and then yung mga rooms. Actually, the rooms where we are staying in, the superior rooms, I'll show it to you later. Binaha din daw yun. So nung nagpabook ako ng room, dalawa yung kinuha ko, isa near the pool area and isa yung beach view. So para mamili ako or just in case hindi available pa or hindi pa gawa. So, ayan. Meron silang, ano tawag dito? Warning. Yan. Na may marine stingers na present during summer. So, ayan. And then, we always used to go here kasi favorite namin siya pag may occasions, birthdays, ganyan. Ang ganda ng sand dito, puti siya, white na sand. But then, dahil nga na-affect siya ng Paeng, typhoon Paeng, ayan, meron siyang na-wash dito yung mga dumi. Ayan. Pero the water is still clear. At saka maganda dito kasi guys, hindi maalon. Ayan, it's not wavy. At saka maganda siya, ayan lang yung restaurant nila, oh, just right in front. So, according to the front desk or front office, nagre-recover pa lang sila from the typhoon. So, ang time ngayon is 4:30 p.m. Ayan. And then, meron din ano dito, rent ng kayak. Or, kung gusto nyong mag-snorkeling, meron din. And then, kung wala kayong dalang rash guard, meron area dito where you can buy. Ayan, so ito yung area where you can rent. Yan yung mga beach activities. And then, ayan yung lifeguard station. So, ayan. Konti lang yung tao today. Again, it's November 11, 2022. It's Friday. Ayan. So, malapit ng mag-sunset. ayun na si Bento Daddy. And then, dito naman sa area na to, near the lifeguard station, mayroong mga cabanas. I think this is 1,500 ang rent. Ayan. So, if you're on a day tour and madami kayo, you can rent one of these cabanas. Ayan. Madami. Madami siya actually. There. So, ayan. Ayun sila Zion and si Ashley. So, malapit dito yung room namin, kaya dito na lang kami nag-decide mag-swim. The room that we got is a beach view na room. Yan. Hi! And then, ayan, just right behind where we are, ito naman yung mga superior na rooms. So as you can notice guys, ayun nga, yung area is madumi pa siya. Tingnan nyo yung mga puno. Ayan. So grabe daw na-affect sila ng typhoon, Paeng. Paeng ba yun, Daddy? Oo. Ayan. Pero normally, hindi ganito yung sand nila. Just because nga, ayun. And then, malapit na kami towards the end ng beach area or ng shore nila. Ayan. Pero meron pang mga cabana there. And then my bar, but I think it's not open. Monkey bar? Monkey bar. Punta natin guys. So actually, kahit lagi kaming nandito, pag meron kaming occasions, na mga celebrate, ganyan, hindi pa namin napuntahan tong area na to. So, let's check out what's in here. Ayan, closed siya, pero I think it's also, ayan, bar. Siguro nga dahil sa typhoon there. Pero may mga cabanas din here. So, I think these are all supposed to be lined with the cabanas. But, it's dirty ngayon. So, this is the area ng beach view na rooms. Ayan. So, this is where we are staying. So, later, I'll show you the inside. Pero, nakita nyo na dun sa previous vlog ko kung ano yung itsura niya. Pero, papakita ko pa rin sa inyo yung inclusions. Although, medyo magulo na yung room, but I'll still show you. Okay? There. And then, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Hotel guests only beyond this point. So, meron siyang rope. May harang siya. So, pasok tayo. Ayan. These are the superior rooms. And then, walang masyadong naka-check-in. Pero dito kami nagsistay. Medyo magulo na siya guys. But, let's go inside. So, ayan. So, this is our room. Nandito na lahat ng gamit namin. So, there. Basic room lang siya. May lampshade. So, this is the superior room. And then, may table. 2 queen beds or 2 queen size beds. There. And then, may towels na. May toiletries. And then, merong water, pa-coffee. Yan. And then, of course, may TV. And then, may kettle. So, kung saan-saan na siya, guys. May fridge. Ayan, may fridge. Hindi lang siya nagfo-focus. And then, ito yung lavatory. Ayan. Tapos, may toiletries. And then, may changing area here. And parang kung meron kayong clothes na gusto nyo i-hang. Then, this is the toilet and bath. So, it's very basic, nothing fancy. Ayan. So, sorry guys. Dahil meron kaming baby. Ni-ambush ko lang ang room. But, I'll put in the inclusions here sa screen. And if you want to know more about their rooms, you can go to their website. So, ayan. So, labas na tayo. Ayan. And then ito pa yung mga ibang superior na rooms. And they also have a second floor. Oh no, I think they have 3 floors then for superior rooms. And then if you want to go to the spa and have a massage, ayan, they have it here. And then that's the way to the pool area, and then that's the restaurant, and then we'll pass through here. So this is the way to the cabanas. And so that's it for Camayan Beach Resort. So if you want to check out how the room looks like, and if you want to know more about the rates, yan, you can just visit their website. So balik na tayo kay La Bento Daddy. Yan. So sayang guys, kasi maganda sana siya. It's very relaxing here. Di maraming tao. Kahit madaming tao at times, malawak yung area. So, there. So, yun lang. Swimming na kami! So, that's it guys for our tour of Camayan Beach Resort. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next vlog for more of our Subic adventure. Bye!